Did you know that a dirty engine can actually run hotter, hide costly leaks, and make simple repairs take twice as long? Most drivers never think about cleaning under the hood until they spot a problem. But the truth is that the right engine degreaser can transform a filthy engine bay in just minutes. Today, we're counting down the 5 best degreasers for engine cleaning that can cut through grease, oil, road grime, and years of buildup without turning your maintenance routine into a nightmare. Whether you're a professional mechanic, a detailing enthusiast, or someone who simply wants a cleaner-looking engine, we've got something for you. Make sure you stick around until the end, because we'll reveal the overall winner that delivers the best balance of cleaning power, safety, ease of use, and value. And remember, all the links are in the description. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Grio's Garage Engine Cleaner. For car. Starting off our list is the Grio's Garage Engine Cleaner, a premium concentrated formula designed for vehicle owners who want serious cleaning power without risking damage to sensitive engine components. This biodegradable and water-soluble cleaner tackles grease, oil, and road grime with impressive efficiency, while remaining gentle on rubber hoses, wiring, plastic covers, and aluminum parts. Compared to stronger industrial options later on this list, Grio's takes a more balanced approach, making it ideal for regular maintenance rather than extreme restoration jobs. Simply spray it on a cool engine, allow it to work for a few minutes, agitate stubborn areas if needed, and rinse away the mess. While it may require a second application for years of baked-on sludge, it offers excellent peace of mind that some harsher competitors simply can't match. If safety and versatility are your priorities, Grio's Garage is a fantastic option and one of the easiest products on today's list to use confidently. Number 4. AutoMotives 900 ml Heavy-Duty All-Purpose Degreaser. If you're dealing with grime that laughs at ordinary cleaners, the AutoMotives steps things up significantly. This industrial-strength dual-phase degreaser is built to attack thick grease, baked-on oil, carbon deposits, and heavy contamination found on engines, truck chassis, machinery, and workshop equipment. What makes it unique is its highly concentrated 2-phase formula that must be shaken before use, creating a powerful cleaning solution capable of handling jobs that lighter products struggle with. Compared to Grio's Garage, AutoMotives is considerably more aggressive and better suited for neglected engines and restoration projects. However, that extra cleaning power comes with the need for proper dilution and careful application. The good news is that one bottle goes a very long way, making it one of the most economical products here when diluted correctly. If maximum strength matters more than convenience, AutoMotives definitely earns its place near the top of the list. Number 3. Zepp Industrial Purple Cleaner and Degreaser. Moving into the top 3, we have the Zepp Industrial Purple Cleaner and Degreaser, a product that takes heavy-duty cleaning to another level. Designed for professional garages, machine shops, fleet maintenance facilities, and industrial environments, this concentrate is built to destroy stubborn grease, oil, carbon soot, and tar deposits that have accumulated over years. Compared to AutoMotives, Zepp offers similar industrial-level strength, but provides exceptional value thanks to its massive 5-gallon size and impressive dilution capabilities. It can generate an enormous amount of usable cleaner, making it perfect for high-volume users. The downside is that it's one of the strongest and most caustic products on this list, requiring proper protective equipment and careful handling. For professionals dealing with extreme contamination every day, Zepp Industrial Purple delivers unmatched bulk value and cleaning performance. But casual users may find it more powerful than necessary for routine engine maintenance. Number 2. Kraken Bond Engine Cleaner Spray. Coming in at number 2 is the Kraken Bond Engine Cleaner Spray, and this product shines because of its convenience and modern engine safety. Unlike the concentrated formulas we've discussed so far, Kraken Bond comes in an easy-to-use aerosol can that allows you to target tight spaces, electrical components, and hard-to-reach engine areas with minimal effort. Its citrus-based formula quickly dissolves oil and grime, while remaining safe for plastics, rubber hoses, wiring, and sensitive electronics. Compared to Zepp and AutoMotives, it isn't quite as aggressive on decades-old sludge, but it makes up for that with simplicity, speed, and user-friendliness. This is the kind of product that detailers and DIYers can grab for quick maintenance cleanups without worrying about mixing ratios or complicated procedures. If convenience and electronic safety are at the top of your wish list, Crack and Bond is one of the best choices available today. Number 1. 3D Grand Blast Engine Degreaser. Taking the number 1 spot is the 3D Grand Blast Engine Degreaser. And it's easy to see why this product stands above the competition. This industrial-strength, water-based formula delivers outstanding grease-cutting performance while maintaining an environmentally friendly and biodegradable profile. It effortlessly attacks heavy oil buildup, road grime, brake dust, and engine contamination while remaining safe on plastics, rubber components, and aluminum surfaces. Compared to Griot's Garage, it offers stronger cleaning power. Compared to Crack and Bond, it handles severe contamination more effectively. Compared to AutoMotives and Zepp Industrial Purple, it provides excellent strength without being overly harsh or intimidating for everyday users. The concentrated formula can be diluted for lighter tasks or used at full strength when maximum cleaning performance is needed, giving it incredible versatility. Whether you're a professional detailer, mechanic, fleet operator, or automotive enthusiast, 3D Grand Blast delivers one of the best combinations of power, safety, flexibility, and overall value available today. So which of these engine degreasers is right for you? If you want maximum safety and routine maintenance cleaning, Griot's Garage is a great choice. If you're battling extreme buildup and restoration-level grime, AutoMotives and Zepp Industrial Purple bring serious industrial power. If convenience and electronic safety matter most, Crack and Bond is tough to beat. But when we compare overall cleaning performance, ease of use, surface safety, versatility, environmental friendliness, and value for money, our winner is the 3D Grand Blast Engine Degreaser. It simply offers the most complete package for the widest range of users. Now we'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these engine degreasers? Which one is your favorite, and which product would you like to test next? Let us know down in the comments below. And remember, all the links are in the description. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.